Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning, bachas. Let us start now. Those who are coming, they'll keep joining. What topic have we finished in the previous week? The one we did? What topic did we do? Did we discuss movies, music, or did we study something?
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody knows what we did. What did we do the entire week? Last
Invitation.
week?
Is it dance
Invitations. Thank God somebody
Invitation.
was. We did invitations or we did something else?
Invitations.
Yes,
invitations and
thankfully
notice
somebody
also.
remembers. We did invitations. We did different type of invitations if you remember. Now, how many of you have actually seen the syllabus for this year? How many of you even know what is there in your syllabus in the writing section, beta? Does someone know? It doesn't cost you to say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good that you know. Too good. Now, can you tell me what all is deleted for you from your syllabus? That is more important because sometimes you keep on doing that also. Tell me
Ma'am,
what all
note,
is deleted.
Note
Very
making.
good. Note
ma'am,
making.
writing.
In reading, your note making and summarizing, both are deleted now.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
So we have done with the reading part. I hope everybody is clear in the reading section. Your
Yes, ma'am.
writing, your note making and summarizing is deleted. Now let's move on to the writing section. What is deleted in writing section?
Ma'am, speech,
Posters.
debate, poster making.
Poster making.
Very good. Poster making is deleted, speech is deleted,
Yes.
debate is deleted, and
Business
business
letter.
Business sort of
letters
official
are
letters.
deleted. Letters related to inquiry, complaints, asking for information, placing orders, cancelling orders, all these are deleted. We had already done this. Anyways, they are deleted now. So we are left with writing section, 16 marks you have over here. Subjective is of course 40 marks. Now listen carefully. We did, Edward, this invitations yesterday. How many marks is it? What weightage is invitation?
Letters are also deleted.
Better not all letters. I'm coming to that only. Only two types of letters are left in your syllabus. I'll be discussing that with you today.
Yes, ma'am.
See, only those letters which were business letters are deleted. Where you were
Yes,
asking
ma'am.
for
Yes, ma'am.
inquiry,
Business letters.
yeah, orders, reply. Business letters are not there. Now, this part that we did yesterday, that is notice. See, we have what? We have a short writing task, 50 words. You have to attempt any one out of two. So from now onwards, after I finish this part, letter writing, you will finalize individually and tell me that which part you will be attempting. Though I'm not saying you'll ignore the other part, but you'll make yourself expert at this part. See, there is a choice very clearly given by CBSE that there will be a choice between notice and advertisement. Now, after I finish my part, I'll start revisions. You will tell me what you have selected for yourself. So, individually, 5 roll numbers, 6 roll numbers, we'll take a short test every day after I finish my letter writing part. So that beta individually I can help you in your problems. Okay, dear? So, test doesn't mean what test you mean. I mean, it's just trying to rectify our mistakes. So you will have 3 marks. You have to either attempt a notice or an advertisement. Then again, you have a choice where you have to attempt. You'll have formal, informal invitations and replies. There you will have a choice, either formal invitation or an informal invitation. You can attempt any one, replying to any one of them. Now I'm taking up the 5 marks wala part of your writing section. That is your letter writing beta. Here also, you will have a choice. There will be 2 types of letter. One is letter to the editor and the second is job application letter with your CV. After I revise both of them, you decide for yourself which one you're more confident in. So you can practice more of that. I'm not saying that leave the other part. Sometimes what happens is the format which you have practiced, the topic which is given is very confusing or complicating. So you have no other options. You just have one option to shift on to the other part. So we'll be practicing both, but again, expertise has to be there in at least one very nicely. So you have a choice between two types of letters. I just told you, Betaji. One is application for job with CV and second is your letter to the editor. Tell me, you'll have a choice in letters. Which are the two letter options you'll get?
A letter to the editor and a job and the job letter.
Job application letters. Very good. And what is the weightage for letter writing? How many marks?
5.
Ma'am, 5.
Very good. What is the word limit for these letters? Let us make all these things clear before we start doing all this. Anji beta, what is the
120,
word
ma'am,
limit?
120
100
words.
to 150.
120 to 150.
Yes,
Don't make
ma'am.
it less than 120. Don't exceed 150 because then you have negative marking if you go beyond 150. Remember that also. So it's 120 to 150. Before I start with the letter writing,
Good morning,
we are
ma'am.
clear with, good morning, dear. We are clear with some things. The letter writing, the weightage is 5 marks. You will have options. There will be 2 letters. You have to attempt any one. You have to do job application with CV or you can do letter to the editor. So we've got 16 marks for writing section. Let me make it very clear to you. 5 marks is letter. 5 marks will be article or report writing. I'll be revising this after I finish letters. So beta, 3 marks, a choice between notice and advertisement. 3 marks, invitations. Again, you'll have a choice, formal or informal, but invitation has to be attempted. So 3 plus 3 makes 6. 5 marks for the letter and 5 marks for the article and report writing. Again, a choice. So you've got total writing section of 16 marks. Is it okay, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So your writing section is 16 marks. Be very clear about this part. 2 writing parts of 120 to 150 words, which are 5 marks weightage. One is this letter that I'm doing with you, and the second is the article or report writing. See, when I take next topic, article and report writing, I'll tell you which one you should prefer and why. Though again, the choice is entirely yours. Okay. I'll tell you which one is easier to attempt, where you will do less mistakes. Today I'm taking up letter writing. You have a choice between 2. I'm taking up the first one. The choice was between letter to the editor and
Job application.
job
Job
application.
applications.
Today I'm taking up job applications format with you. We'll be revising, will not be writing anything. Today is the first day for this revision. See, this was an advertisement in the newspaper. See, this kind of an advertisement will come in the exam. Okay, this will be given to you. Wanted suitable young sales assistant on part-time basis to market garments for a leading fashion designer. Apply to the manager, New Creations 147 Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi. See, this advertisement would be given to you and it would be written. I'm not saying this advertisement means this one will only come. This kind of an advertisement would be there. And this would be your question. Write an application in response to this advertisement. Clear, beta? The question would come like this. You will be given an advertisement. You will be simply asked to write an application in response to this advertisement. All of you come to the right side now. See the format. What is the first thing that has to be written? Hurry up, hurry up. Oh my God, Bishu Sharma is coming. Today too I am bewildered and honored and I don't know what. Bishu
Yes,
Sharma
ma'am.
has joined. Bishu Sharma, have you joined? Oh God, if he is there, then to it's celebration time for me today. Last 7 months, all the teachers have been waiting for him. Bishu Sharma, are you there? Commerce section 12C, Bishu.
Connected his audio.
Ma'am, he has not
He
connected.
has not connected his audio.
Ma'am, actually, he don't know how to connect to the audio, ma'am.
But he has honored
He
us.
is connected,
by
but his mic was not working.
Oh, thank God he is working. Never mind if his mic is not working. 7 months it took him to work himself. Mike will take another 7 months. Okay, let's come to send. This is the first time this child has joined since March. And it is not only in English, it is in all the subjects that this is his status. Saranpreet, are you there? Why are you not regular these days, Saranpreet?
Ma'am, because of my some network connection, but I will regular from now, ma'am.
Bachi, you are among the list given to me for toppers and you only are not regular. What do I expect others? Be regular now.
Yes,
Chalo,
ma'am.
now I
Sure.
will not get interrupted by anything. What is the first thing? Everybody, please speak. It's going to be a two-way thing. Now, beta, how can I do all alone if you people
Sender's
don't respond?
address.
Ma'am,
Anji, what is the
sender
first thing?
Sender's
Sender's
address.
address. Okay,
Sender's
very
address.
good. There is one very important thing which is written to you so that you can remember. Never put your name here. Okay, this is the common mistake which is done by many students. So we keep reminding you, you will not put your name. You will just write what? You will just write your address. And as I always say, do not use 3 lines. Wind it up in 2 lines. Although it is given over here in 3 lines, but do not use 3 lines. Just wind it up in 2 lines. It could be 23 Kumarkanj and whatever this place is. That is all on you. Whatever address you want to take. So we are done. Now we come to the second thing. Which is the second thing in this format, beta?
Date.
Date. So date will come just below which address?
Sender's address.
Sender's
Sender's
address.
address. Very good. So what was the
Sender.
see? There should be a mind map in your this thing. You should know in your mind. You should know there should be a map of the format. Number 1, sender's address. Keep checking. Oh, my sender's address is written or not written. Now number 2 is what, children?
Date.
Date. So you'll write the date. So many times I've told you how to write the date. So we are not discussing this. Now we'll come to the third thing, that is receiver's name / rank. Rank means designation over here, and his or her address. Okay. If you see it is written apply to whom? See in the advertisement it is written whom we need to apply, beta?
Manager.
Manager.
Manager,
So we
manager.
will write, yes, so we are going to write over here the manager, not manager. It is the manager. Supposing it was over here general manager, then what will you write over here?
General manager.
The general manager. Okay. Had it been HR over here, HR department, HR, then what will you write over here? HR manager. So you will take over here HR. So what I'm trying to tell you is listen, read carefully whom to apply.
Then
They will
HR
tell
or
you whom
DHR?
to. Beta, it depends. DHR is Director Human Resource. It's not, we cannot address to the department. So we could have a manager for HR or the director who's handling the HR department. We cannot address a letter to a department. We need to address it to some designation. So if it is not given to you, the easiest one is to use manager. That is the easiest one to use. Generally, they will give you whom to apply. So we have come to manager. Which company was it? Where did I take this? Where did I take this address from? New Creations. Where did it come from? See over
Ma'am,
here.
Yes.
Apply to the manager. Fine. Now I have come to this. This is done. Now I'll move on to the most important part. What is it? Subject of the letter. You will write subject. Many students do not write this word subject. Remember, you have to write the word subject. And after you write, beta, subject should look like very short. It should not be an entire sentence. I think this is the best one. Application for the post of. Baki pura kahani you're going to write na in the letter. So why write everything in the subject? Let him be interested in what you have to write further. Otherwise, he will just read your subject and keep your letter. Application, what is, if you can see, the first letter is capital. Please see these things very carefully. Application, first letter is capital, for and the, F and T is small. Here I would suggest you can make it small again if you want. There is no problem. Post can again P be small. But the post that you are applying for, the first letter has to be capital. Sales assistant, so S is capital, assistant A is capital. Beta, if you were applying for a senior accountant, then you would write over here senior accountant, S would be capital and A would be capital. So you have to be very careful when you're writing the subject. Clear, everybody? Theme of the letter has come in the subject. Okay, now let's move further. Dear sir, Fine. No need to write respected sir over here. Simply because it's a business letter, we will not write respected. How will you address the manager? बोलो
Dear
बेटा,
sir.
ऐसे लग रहा है कि
Dear
बिल्कुल
sir.
डम क्लास है. बोलो.
Dear sir.
Dear sir.
Dear
But
sir.
we used,
Please,
remember we used to
you know,
write sir only.
you can write sir also because you are not known to the person. Both are correct. You can write sir also. You can write dear sir. Sir is better. It is very formal. But if you want to write dear sir, that's also okay. But don't write respected sir. The most important thing I want to tell you is alignment. All of you, please see this alignment. Can you see this alignment? Most of
Yes,
you
ma'am.
lose your
Ma'am.
marks. Beta, most of you lose your marks here. Start from the top. See till here, here. Everything is extreme left.
Left side alignment.
Stick to your boundary. Stick to your box boundary over here. Very carefully. With a little space also here, if you start, you lose on your marks. So let's start. Let's start over here. Dear sir, I read your advertisement for the post of sales assistant on a part-time basis in the Times of India dated so and so, and I wish to apply for the same. First sentence is clear. Where did you
Yes,
read
ma'am.
the advertisement? You will only mention where did you read the advertisement and what was the date. Here they have mentioned that I read the advertisement in which newspaper? Times of India. And date is 27 February and I want to apply. First line is okay for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
line now.
Yes.
Second
Ma'am.
line does not mean that you will change your
Ma'am.
line. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can we write for the reference of your advertisement?
Yes, this
In
is
first
with
line.
reference to your, yes, we can write. This is with reference to your advertisement for the post of sales assistant. Of course, you can write.
Ma'am.
I would always feel this better, you write your own, but make sure कि decide करके जाओ. When you know that this letter has to come and you have to write only 4 sentences. So plan your original vocabulary.
Ma'am.
Get it checked by me. Finish it off. मैं तो कहती हूँ रट के जाओ. See, if you save your time, you'll get more time to think for your article. It will be better if you plan yourself. Let's start this. Second line. I enclose details of my education,
please mute
qualifications,
Bishu.
and experience.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
beta.
ma'am. Ma'am, please
Yes.
mute Bishu.
Ishu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please mute him.
अरे बात तो करने दो. He has come after so many months. Ishu Sharma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Ishu.
Good morning, ma'am.
How was your trip to Thailand? कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? कहाँ घूमने गए थे?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Then 6 months, where were you? Not even a single day you have attended any class? And just tell me one thing, what magic, Ishu? What magic you've done with your mobile number? किसी teacher की नहीं लगता है? What magic is there in that number? Every Saturday, Sunday, every teacher tries your number. And surprisingly, we do not connect. Where were you? 6 months?
Home.
Home. Wow. So why did you come today? Be at home for another 6 months. Now appear next year for the board exams. As it is, you're अच्छा समझ में आ गया. Letter पहुंच गया घर पे?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. That is the reason. Okay. The letter has reached na short attendance to your house. That is why you are present today. Home. Understood. You better be regular, otherwise sit home for another 6 months.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
all the VIPs who are joining actually are joining because of that letter. Chalo beta, let's continue. I enclose details. Beta apna mute karo. Ishu, mic. I enclose details of my educational qualifications and experience in my biodata. I can provide testimonials and certificates if you require them. ये बेटा ऐसे मत लिखना. Don't write this. This is looking very odd. I can provide testimonials and certificates when
What is
required.
testimonial?
Okay?
This line is
Pardon?
sounding quite heavy.
This is not looking like a request kind. If you
Yes,
require,
ma'am.
if you
If you
require, I'll give
require,
you. If you
then
don't require, I'll not give. So
Chalo,
please don't write
excuse
it.
me.
Beta, mute karo. Who is this child?
Ma'am, Bishu.
Why have you come after 6 months? Bishu, mute karo. Yes, beta, don't
Ma'am,
write this sentence
ma'am,
like this. I can provide
ma'am,
testimonials and
Sounds like an
certificates.
order.
Okay.
ma'am, what is testimonial?
Ma'am, it
I will tell
sounds
you
like
what is. It sounds like
order.
order. It sounds like order. There is a query from your friend. What is a testimonial? Thank God somebody is attentive asking something. Anybody knows what is testimonial? What is a testimonial, children? Nobody knows what is a testimonial?
Ma'am, kind of test,
Ma'am,
entrance
Ma'am,
of
and character
ma'am, a
certificate.
formal statement.
Of what?
Someone's character.
So, ma'am, a formal written
About
statement.
the
About the
abilities,
person.
about the qualities of a person.
No, it's not
Yes,
actually qualities. Testimonial is verifying something. Okay? It could be verifying that it could be your experience certificates that I verify. This is to verify that so and so is a bona fide student. That's a testimonial. This is to verify that Mr. So and so has worked in my company for 2 years. This is a testimonial. Character certificate is a testimonial. So something being given as a evidence or verification are your testimonials. Please do not make your sentence like this. I can provide testimonials and certificates. Can you tell me a better way, beta, of this sentence, anyone? Use your own skills. Tell me this sentence. Nobody has skills. Nobody has creativity. Why should we waste on this in English class now?
and 1 minute I'm thinking.
Achha, thinking. Others
What,
have
ma'am?
stopped thinking also.
Ma'am, what did you ask?
Oh my God. Beta, I'm saying change this vocabulary. I can provide testimonials and certificates if you require them. This is looking very rude. Change. The
Yes, ma'am.
meaning should be the same, but change the word selection.
Ma'am, we can write for sure in place of if you require them.
We can write for sure.
Yes, ma'am.
I make it better. Testimonials and certificates can be provided required.
Testimonial
Ma'am, your
and
voice is echoing.
certificates will be provided.
Yes, you can make it like this also. Testimonials and certificates may be provided when required. And don't write this line. If you consider that my application is meritorious, don't write this. Okay, simply write, I'm available for an interview at any time to suit your convenience, or I'm available for an interview as per your convenience. Okay?
And then
As
we can
per your
add this
convenience.
also.
Yes. What do you want to write?
It will be highly obliged if you kindly select me for this post.
Beta, select me for the post. अभी से नहीं बोल सकते because this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a request for application. Yes, I would be highly obliged if you spare some time for my interview, or I'm called for an interview. Abhi to just request for an interview directly, not for a job. Fine. So the language is perfectly fine, but not for job. I would be obliged. Baki sab it's okay, but don't say for job. Just say for interview. Now let's start with this. Your CV part. The name is coming first. In name also, the first letters have to be capital. This is Manvi Mishra. So M and M are capital. Address, no need to write home address. We better write residential address. Don't write home. This is looking very awkward. Write residential address. You can give your address. Mobile you can give. Email ID you can give. Educational qualifications you can give. You can give education qualifications. Extra qualifications nahi likhna hai. This is odd. You can write additional qualifications. No need to write extra. There is nothing, no qualification is extra. All qualifications can be additional. There is no qualification which is extra. So don't use this word extra. Write additional qualifications. Then write about your experience. Working for the last 3 years in this as a saleswoman. Age is 22 years. Personal details. She's written excellent health, hobbies, so and so, references. are given, but very strange, the reference mobile numbers are not given over here. This is the biggest flaw in this. What is the point of giving references when the mobile numbers are not given? How will I verify about that candidate?
Means it is wrong.
Wrong in a sense, it is incomplete. I won't say it is wrong, it is incomplete. When you write KPC
Mobile number
manager,
is given, ma'am. Mobile.
where is it given? Where is it given?
Ma'am, after home address.
Arey my bacha,
Are
I'm
the
saying
mobile number of
references.
references?
Mobile number of references
Okay.
is not given. Because I will not go to the Punjab National Bank to verify this candidate Manvi Mishra. Normally what happens is whenever we mention references, always mention the mobile number so that a person can call up and find about this candidate. So avoid using, and one more thing very important. If this candidate is Mishra, listen very carefully. If this candidate is Mishra, do not give any references of Mishra over here. Am I clear? Because family references are not allowed in your CV.
Ma'am, but how they
Whenever
will
you-
know that they are of our family? There could be some another Mishra, na?
There could be, but they may also think that you don't know this, that we cannot give references for the family. So it is better, let's not take a chance. All kind of people come to check your sheets. So let's not take a chance, beta. See, this is KP Singh, this is SP Gupta, and the candidate is Mishra. Though I completely agree, all Mishras are not relatives of Manvi, 100%. All people Mishra who are in India are not related to Manvi. But certainly avoid using the same surname over here. Clear? See, she has given the references. And one more very big blunder in this. Can anybody tell me what? Come on, references me. There is one more mistake over here. See carefully. Chalo. Tell me, 1 point. Winner for today's class. Direct 5 points. Find out the mistake.
Ma'am, can you just scroll it for a minute?
Sure.
General manager sales.
General manager sales. What is wrong in general manager sales? He can be the general manager, Mr. Gupta. Why are you?
Ma'am, address.
Dots.
Mhm.
So stocks and dots.
No. You,
Ma'am,
come
address.
on. No.
Ma'am,
What
name.
is wrong? What is wrong in the address? Very good,
Ma'am, can
speak
you
out.
please show
Ma'am,
the
may I
receiver?
tell, ma'am? I spoke, ma'am. The main address is not given. Main address is not given.
No, this is not the mistake.
And
Ma'am,
both the
mistake is in
address.
the.
And what is written PNB Dioria.
Deoria is
Yes.
the name of a place. Deoria is the name of place.
And PNB
Devaria,
what
you
is?
call it in Hindi.
Ma'am, in which state? Ma'am, in which state? Ma'am, state.
Punjab. Arey, state is not needed. We simply need to put a mobile
Pin
number here.
code?
That is all. Arey, that is also not needed. Because koi nahi jata hai, we generally make a phone call for verification to
Ma'am, you
references.
spoke, na, ki phone number is not given.
No. Anybody else? Come
Ma'am,
on,
one more
think.
mistake. Ma'am, pin code.
Yes. No, we don't give pin code over here.
Okay, what do you mean saying?
Socho.
Ma'am, full name should be used instead.
No,
Ma'am,
read the
PNB
experience.
theory is
See
there, but reason is not there.
what
Ma'am,
this
I
girl
mean,
has
Achha,
written.
ma'am, Gopal Readymade House. It is the first
Ah.
one says women. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, it is not
very
given.
good. Dekho beta, what she has written. She's working for the last 3 years in Gopal Readymade Garment House as saleswoman.
Yes, says women. Yes, ma'am.
She is still working in Gopal Readymade Garment House, and she has given the reference also of Gopal Readymade Garment House. Avoid doing this also. If you're still working, if you have left the job over here, you have worked for 3 years or 4 years, then it's okay. But otherwise, avoid writing the same institution. Or you could have written over here, worked for 3 years in Gopal Readymade House. Present employer ka reference is never given. Avoid giving the present employer. You could have written over here worked for from 2011 to 2014 in Gopal Readymade Garment House. Then you can mention this person as your reference. I would always suggest do not pick up anybody from here. Take any XYZ as references, give them mobile numbers, that is all. Don't go into anybody which you have picked up over here. So we have come across, this was an CV, you were applying for what post, children?
Sales assistant.
Sales assistant. 30 minutes have already passed. I will not let anybody in the meeting now. And those who are not in the meeting will not be marked present. And this every teacher is doing it. Even
Yes,
if you write
ma'am.
on the group present,
Ma'am, you can
nobody
put
will
the names
consider you.
and then write present or absent.
Nobody is, if you write on the group present, you are not present. Now see this and tell me what is the difference between this, though when I did this with you, I had already discussed with you. Can you see
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
See very quickly. See very quickly. Remember what was the post applied for? Sales manager, sales girl, I think it was. Now let's come to this. Bal Vidya Public School Bhilai urgently requires a postgraduate teacher to teach political science, for which they have placed an advertisement in the Bhilai Express. Your Sanjay Sanjana Sharma, this is your address. Draft a letter including a CV applying for the advertised post. 5 marks for this. This question came in 2018 board exams, Delhi region. Is it okay, children? 2018, not very
Yes,
old
ma'am.
now. Chalo,
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
start. Okay, please do not write this answer over here in your exams. Don't do this, huh? Simply write it. This is perfect. Can you see this is perfect? How many lines have been used?
2.
Two.
Two.
So this is the perfect way to write your address. I've been telling you right from the first day. Comma over here, then your locality, and then this. Now we are applying. See, the date is missing. It should be here. It's very light. I think wo
Yes,
scanning the
ma'am.
time pe some problem has
Yes,
come.
sir.
You need to write your date over here. Don't miss on that. Then the principal, the school name was already given to you. Val Vidya Public School, Bhilai. Pin code is there. Application subject is there. Okay. Don't feel that word subject is not written. It is
It
there. I
is
don't know why.
lightened by the
I
scanner.
was
Yes.
thinking the
Maybe it
same
was written
thing
in
that
red
there is some
color.
alignment error.
Yes,
Yes,
it was
ma'am.
red ink, so it has not come clearly. Application for the post of postgraduate teacher. हाँ बेटा. Any
Ma'am, where
problem
is the
in this?
date? Ma'am, date?
बेटा,
Date
here
is
the
there.
date is there.
ये डेट
If
कितनी
you
बार
can
होगी?
see, हाँ 20xx दिखाई दे रहा
अच्छा
होगा.
अच्छा
March
हाँ हाँ ओके मैम
20xx.
ओके
वो scanning में it has not come. Okay, बेटा, this could be better. Application for the post of a postgraduate teacher of political science. How can we make it better grammatically?
Application for the post of political science postgraduate teacher.
Yes, you can do this, or you could simply write application for the
Application for
postgraduate
the
teacher
post.
political science. There is no need to use this word of.
yes ma'am
Ma'am,
Not
ma'am,
needed.
can you please share this PDF on group?
Pardon, beta.
Ma'am, can you please share this PDF on group?
I do it every day. I share my recordings of my class
yes
every day
ma'am
on your group.
Ma'am,
Every day it is done.
PDF. Ma'am, not recording
Yes.
this PDF.
Beta, when the recording comes, this PDF part also comes. You see the recordings are posted
Ma'am,
every day.
ma'am,
You
Hanji,
can take
ma'am,
screenshot also.
ma'am, I am saying to
pardon.
send this PDF.
You can take
He only wants the PDF.
Okay, I'll post the PDF also. But beta, keep listening. There are many things which I keep telling you that don't follow this, what is written over here. Because they're not always perfect. I'll post the PDF. Oh my God, muted my children. Who is this?
लड़ाई हो गई.
Again, Vishu?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can also mute him.
yes
Acha.
You
ma'am
can also mute him.
Teach me how to do. Let me try. Where to go?
Ma'am,
Click
go
on the
to
mic.
participants.
Ma'am, participants.
अरे मैम is sharing the screen ना so she
हाँ
would be not
ऊपर ऑप्शन आता है पूरा
ऊपर दिख
sharing.
गया. I got the
Yes.
participants. Now what to do?
And click on it.
I can.
Now click on Bishu.
Anshu Ariba. I got Bishu. Yes.
And then click on mute. There would be option.
Click on the mic
After
button.
clicking on.
Ask to unmute. No.
No, ma'am, mute him.
Bishu. It is written ask to unmute.
Ma'am, he is muted now. He has
He is
already
muted now.
muted himself.
He simply wasted my time, nothing else. Chalo, but I learned something. Thank you, Ishu. At least I learned to do this. Application for the post of a postgraduate teacher, political science is sufficient. You need not write this, beta. P should be capital, S should be capital, but entire political science should not be capital. Be very careful about these
Yes,
very
ma'am.
small things. Application A is capital, for ka F is small, T small, P C. If you remember in the previous one, post was also written P capital.
Yes.
Yes.
I told you that don't take P capital. See here they put in same book, same publication, anything. So be careful in the class. This will be small p,
It's all in one.
post wala p. This is going to be small
पोस्ट
only.
ग्रेजुएट वाला P स्मॉल होगा.
कौन सा वाला? नहीं, this
पोस्ट
you can
ग्रेजुएट
take.
वाला.
This you can take. This from here you can take. ये वाला p बेटा post वाला. This will be small. And political science also P capital, S capital. Now let's start. Why respected sir over here now? Why not sir and dear?
Mom, we are writing to principal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we are writing to principal. Plus, when we are talking about the educational arena area, beta always prefer writing respected. Now let's start. In response to your advertisement in the newspaper's name, the date, I offer myself as a candidate for the post. It would be better to write what? I gave you a better word. I offer myself as a candidate. Something I told you when we did the class.
I offer my candidature.
Yes, I offer my candidature. Yes, that would be better. I offer myself as a candidate means you're offering yourself. You don't offer yourself. Okay? I offer my candidature for the same. No need to write again. In your renowned school, yes.
The pin codes given of Bhilai and Bhilai are different, or they are just?
Beta, they are different because in the same city you can have different pin codes.
Like 2, 4, 3, 4.
Yes, Green Park has a different pin code, Mahanagar has a different pin code, Bareilly Civil Lines will have a different pin code. So there is no problem in this. If you want, you can write the same ones also. If you write different also, it is not wrong. It does not mean that in the same city, all localities will have the same pin code. They are different for different places. Let's start what this person has written. I'm a young teacher, postgraduate with B.Ed from Government College of Education, Bhilai. I have 3 years of experience in a reputed school. I'll be highly obliged if you kindly consider me. See, this language is much, much better. Yes, I will be highly obliged if you kindly consider me for the said post. Ye thoda odd ho gaya again. Okay, don't say this said post. My CV is enclosed herewith for your kind perusal. I look forward to attending an interview at your earliest convenience. See, these lines are much better than what we had done earlier.
And
your
what is the
faithful.
meaning of this?
Pardon?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this word perusal?
ये तो बहुत यूज होता है लेटर्स में. Can anybody tell me what does it mean?
What, ma'am?
Perusal. What does it mean?
For your kind reference.
Yes, for your kind reference. This is just making yourself very soft. Now let's see the CV of this person. How she has written. Sanjay Sharma. Enclosures. See over here. Enclosures are only what? CV. What is it? Name Sanjay Sharma. Then father's name, address, date of birth, nationality, beta, this is the most important thing which I want to show you. If you're applying for a teacher, you need to write this. This was not needed when you applied for the sales manager or sales girl. Nobody is bothered about your qualifications, how learned you are, or how much % marks you had. Nobody cares. But if you're applying for a teacher, do this. There is again one problem over here. Tell me what? The new system is not being followed in this writing part. Tell me what is it? I told you when I did with you.
In the table.
Material status.
Material status नहीं है ये.